Hello, today is lunch and we are making a protein shake with fruit topper in less than 5 minutes. And I'm going to also have a little side dish of some extra protein like nuts and omega-3s. Okay, so grab your mixer here and choose a shake that you want to use. It can be vanilla, it can be chocolate, whatever you want. I'm using this chocolate one because I'm trying to get rid of it. And so we got just 1 cup of water. Remember, I use this to look at the increments on the side. That's 1, easy as peasy. And then I'm going to add 2 scoops of this because that's the directions. If it just says 1 scoop per serving, then just do 1. This one's 2 because look at the scoop is small. Okay, there's that. And I am also going to add in a fruit of choice. You can use banana, you can use strawberries, you could use apple, whatever you want. I'm doing orange. So 1, 2, 3, 4 orange little slices. You can do 1 whole banana. You can do 1 cup of strawberries. And I'm gonna shake it up, shake it up. Put it in, put it in. Please start. There. At least for 15 seconds. And then there is your shake. And you can pour it into a tall glass as this. And there you have it. There's the chocolate and orange. And then on the side, I'm gonna do a little dish of nuts for a snack. Just like this. So that's just about a 1/2 cup of nuts. And there you have it. Easy as pie.